Yo, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're gonna be talking about why I haven't been posting lately, and that's mainly because I really haven't had content for you guys. Besides, I've also been real busy with work and stuff, so that's another reason. But I have a lot of parts in the garage just waiting to be put on. I also have some that still haven't arrived yet, like a carbon fiber piece from Outcast Garage. You know, I thought it was gonna be like a week or two for it to arrive or something, but I got the message and it said it wouldn't ship until at least like 2 months or something. I was pretty disappointed, but it's whatever, you know. I guess it's my fault for not reading. But yeah, hopefully it comes in within the next couple of weeks. I also have some lowering springs that I have to install. I got them last week, but I just haven't installed them yet because, as you guys know, right now I'm running 20-inch wheels and they're sitting pretty flush with the fender, you know. So if I were to lower the car, I would have to stretch my tires as well as roll the fenders, and hopefully that clears it, but I don't think it will. I'll probably have to get camber all around, and I can't afford to be buying new tires every like 2 months or so. So what I'm probably gonna end up doing is selling these tires, these wheels, and getting some smaller ones, probably some 18s or 19s, hopefully 19s, because I don't really like small wheels. But yeah, for sure the car's getting lowered. I also have to install my NRG steering wheel. The parts are coming in this weekend, so hopefully I can make a video out of that. Oh shit. And speaking of that, I also have to fix my front end suspension because it makes a lot of noise going over bumps and stuff. So yeah, I got the parts and everything, I just haven't had time to install it. I got the control arms, sway bar links, wheel bearings, all that good stuff. You know, I just need to install it. But yeah, oh yeah, I also got a new sticker. It says slow car gang, because my car is slow as fuck. But yeah, other than that, you know, the car is pretty much the same way as it was before. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, y'all would have seen that I had the roof black. I plastic dipped it, but I don't know, I just got bored of it, so I took it off, and honestly I think the silver roof looks better. So yeah, but yeah, like I said, you know, I have a lot of parts coming in, so stay tuned. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button, and remember, if it's the first time your GPS brings you into the Nutty Garage, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you're able to find your way back. Other than that, I'll catch you guys next video.